Hello बच्चों, how are you? Welcome to Brilliant Minds Creator. Today we are going to learn about OpenOffice Impress. Okay, we will see what is OpenOffice Impress, what is presentation, use of presentation, how to start the Impress, components of Impress window. What is OpenOffice Impress? OpenOffice Impress क्या है? तो OpenOffice Impress is a presentation software. What is a presentation software? Okay, it is used to create and display beautiful presentation that include text, pictures, charts, diagram, audio, video, and animation. Okay, so OpenOffice Impress is a presentation software and it is used to create, display the beautiful presentation that include texts, pictures, charts, diagram, audio, video, and animation. Okay. Now, what is presentation? What is presentation? So, presentation is a collection of slides. Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in systematic order. Arranged in a systematic order, and it display the information along with graphic, sound, and animation. Okay, along with graphic, sound, and animation. What is presentation? Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in systematic order, and it display the information along with graphic, sound, and animation. Now, what is slide? What is slide? Slide is just like a page in presentation. It is just like a page in presentation that displays some information about a topic. Okay, that displays some information about a topic. Okay, ओके वी हैव सीन ओपन ऑफिस इम्प्रेस. ओपन ऑफिस इम्प्रेस क्या है? एक प्रेजेंटेशन सॉफ्टवेयर है जिसकी हेल्प से एक प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट करते हैं और प्रेजेंटेशन में हम लोग इंक्लूड करते हैं पिक्चर्स, चार्ट, डायग्राम, ऑडियो, वीडियो, एनिमेशन. ठीक है. व्हाट इज प्रेजेंटेशन? प्रेजेंटेशन क्या है? प्रेजेंटेशन में नंबर्स ऑफ स्लाइड होते हैं जो सिस्टमैटिक वे में अरेंज होते हैं, सिस्टमैटिक ऑर्डर में अरेंज होते हैं, जो आपको डिस्प्ले करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन विद विजुअल इफेक्ट्स लाइक ग्राफिक, साउंड, एनिमेशन. ओके, जो आपको डिस्प्ले करते हैं इंफॉर्मेशन, आपको मैसेज देते हैं along with graphics, sound, animation. ये ग्राफिक, साउंड, एनिमेशन प्रेजेंटेशन को मोर ब्यूटीफुल बनाता है, मोर क्रिएटिव बनाता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द यूजेस ऑफ प्रेजेंटेशन. क्या है यूजेस? प्रेजेंटेशन हेल्प टू शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन हेल्प टू शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन इन मोर इफेक्टिव वे. टू टीच, प्रेजेंटेशन हेल्प इन टीचिंग, help teacher to explain lesson clearly. It show the ideas, share your thoughts and project with friends and teacher. To make learning fun, presentation make the learning fun, more interesting, and it help to understand. It help the audience to understand clearly. Okay, so these are the uses of presentation: to share the information, for teaching, to show the ideas, make the learning more creative, more fun, more interesting, and to help the understand. Now, how to start the Impress? How to start the Impress? ठीक है, ओपन ऑफिस इम्प्रेस कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? फर्स्ट वी ओपन द कंप्यूटर, देन ओपन द ओपन ऑफिस, देन क्लिक द इम्प्रेस एंड चूज द टेम्पलेट एंड स्टार्ट प्रेजेंटिंग. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ओपन द कंप्यूटर, क्लिक ऑन ओपन ऑफिस. ठीक है, you can find the open office program on your desktop or start menu. Okay, then select the impress. In the open office, choose the impress, that is the presentation software. Impress क्या है? Presentation software है. Then choose a template, the slide design. Pick a blank slide or ready-made template and start your presentation. Okay, now the components of Impress window. Okay, what are the components of Impress window? Title bar, menu bar, standard toolbar, formatting toolbar, slide panes, slide view buttons, workspace, slide bar, drawing toolbar and status bar. So these are the components of Impress window जो help करता है to create the presentation. Okay, okay, ठीक है. टाइटल बार on the top of the Impress window, यहाँ पे टाइटल बार होता है. Then menu bar, below the title bar there is the menu bar. These are the menu bar. Menu bar is just below the title bar. ठीक है, ये menu bar है. Then standard toolbar, ये standard toolbar इसके menu bar के नीचे रहता है. Then formatting toolbar, ठीक है, ये वर्क स्पेस है जहाँ पे प्रेजेंटेशन क्रिएट किया जाता है. स्लाइड्स पेन जहाँ पे थंबनेल्स रहते हैं. Then drawing toolbar, status bar. Okay, we will see one by one. Slide panes. What is slide panes? Slide pane is found on the left side of the Impress window. It is found in left side of the Impress window. It shows the small pictures, thumbnail of all the slides. It shows the small pictures or thumbnails of the all slides. Presentation is made of the number of slides and slide pane show the thumbnail of all the slides. Slides are shown in the same order as the presentation. Okay, we can select, add, delete and move the slide easily. Okay, so what is slide pane? What is slide pane? This is the slide pane. This area is called the slide pane where the presentation slides are shown here. ठीक है, it is shown as a thumbnail of the slide. Okay, and these slides are arranged in same sequence, same order. ओके किसी प्रेजेंटेशन में स्लाइड्स का अरेंजमेंट है, यहाँ पे स्लाइड पैन में भी सेम ऑर्डर में आपको यहाँ पे स्लाइड का अरेंजमेंट दिखेगा. ओके ओके so slide pane show the small picture of the slide, small picture or thumbnail of the all slide and arrange in same sequence. Okay. Okay, now next component, workspace. Next component is the workspace. It is the blank area. It is the blank area in the middle of the window where a slide display. It is a blank area. It is a blank area in the middle of the window where the slide is displayed. ठीक है? ठीक है? This area is called the workspace. This area is called the workspace where we create the presentation, where we create and edit the presentation. Okay, we can type the text, add pictures, save design to the slide here. All editing of the slides is done in the workspace. Now, next component is the sidebar. It contains the features that are used to format a slide. Sidebar have the features that used to format a slide. Okay, for formatting a slide, we use the sidebar. The sidebar have the features like properties, slide transition, custom animation, master pages, styles, formatting, gallery, and navigator. Okay, so slide bar is found on the right side of the Impress window. It shows the different layout and design for the slides. It helps us to change the look of the slide easily. We can add picture, style, and effects from here. Okay, sidebar having the features which used to format a slide. Features like the properties, slide transition, custom animation, master page, style, formatting, gallery, navigator. Okay, the sidebar show the different layout of slide, different design for the slides. Here is the sidebar in Impress window which having the features which used to formatting the slide. Okay, sidebar show the different layouts, different design for the slide. Okay, next component is the title bar. Okay, title bar is the topmost bar of the Impress window. Okay, title bar is the topmost bar of the Impress window. It show the name of presentation. What title bar show? Title bar show the name of the presentation. Okay, kids, you have to remember this. Title bar show the name of the presentation, title of your presentation. Okay, it also shows the name of the program. It has the button to minimize, maximize, and close the window. Okay, okay, let's see where is the title bar. Here is the title bar which shows the name of the presentation, title of the presentation, and it also having the button of minimize, maximize, and close the presentation. Okay, next component is the menu bar. Okay, so menu bar is found just below the title bar in the Impress window. Where we see menu bar just below the title bar in the Impress window. Okay, it contains the menu like files, edit, view, insert, format, slideshow, and help. Okay, so menu bar having the menus like the file, edit, view, insert, format, slideshow, and help. Each menu has the different command to work on presentation. It helps us create, edit, and save the presentation. Menu bar help us to create, edit, and save the presentation. Okay, there is the menu bar just below the title bar, having the menu like the file, edit, view, insert, slideshow, etc. Okay. Okay, file, edit, view, insert, format, slideshow, and help. Now, next component is the standard toolbar. A standard toolbar is found below the menu bar in the Impress window. Where we find the standard toolbar in Impress window? Below the menu bar. Okay, it has this shortcut button for the common word. Or you can say it contain or it has these shortcut icons or button for the most frequently used command in the Impress. Okay, so button like open, save, print, copy, paste, undo, work quickly. So these are the command most frequently used in the Impress window like open, save, print, copy, paste, undo. This all buttons, this all icons present in standard toolbar. Okay, it helps us to create the presentation or edit the presentation quickly. Okay, toolbar just below the menu bar which having the common buttons or common icons which frequently used in OpenOffice Impress to create the presentation. Okay. Now, next component is the formatting toolbar. Okay, formatting toolbar. It found below the standard toolbar. It found below the standard toolbar in the Impress window. It is used to change the look of text. We use formatting toolbar for the formatting the text. Okay, we can change the font size, font style, color, bold, italic, alignment. Okay, it help make slide neat and attractive. Okay, on your screen, you can see these so many texts like components of Impress window. Then I have written the formatting toolbar. Under the title of formatting toolbar, I have given some important points related to formatting toolbar. So by the help of formatting toolbar, I can edit the texts. I can change the color of texts. I can change the style of the text. Why I am doing this? To make my presentation more attractive. Okay, more attractive, neat and clean. Okay. Okay. Now, so what is difference between the standard toolbar and formatting toolbar? Okay, standard toolbar Standard toolbar having the icons or buttons which are most frequently used in Impress window. It is used for the common tasks. It has the button like the new, open, save, print. Okay, new, open, save, print. It helps us to work faster. It save our time. It helps us to create the presentation quickly, faster. Okay, use for the files and editing the work. Okay, and then formatting toolbar is the formatting toolbar help to edit or formatting the text. It is used for text formatting. Okay, formatting toolbar is used for text formatting. It has the button like the font size, bold, italic, and color. Help to make the slide attractive. Use for designing the text. Okay, okay. Here is the standard toolbar just below the menu bar, which having the common button or icons which frequently or commonly used in OpenOffice Impress to create the presentation. Okay, and formatting toolbar just below the standard, where formatting toolbar is present just below the standard toolbar, which are help to formatting the text. Formatting toolbar having the buttons which are help to formatting the text. With the help of formatting toolbar, we can create the attractive text. Okay, by changing their font color, by changing their font size, bold, italic, alignment. Okay. Now the status bar. A status bar is the bar located at the bottom of the Impress window. Okay. The status bar, where it is located, bottom of the Impress window. Okay, bottom. It displays the information like cursor position, digital signature, slide number, slide layout, and zoom slider. Okay, so the status bar is present at the bottom of the Impress window, which show the information like the cursor position, number of slide, digital signature, slide style, etc. Okay. Okay. So status bar is found at the bottom of the Impress window. It shows the information about the current slide. It shows the information about the current slide. Tell the slide number, view mode, and it also shows the zoom level. Okay. Now another component is the drawing toolbar. Drawing toolbar is found at the bottom of the Impress window. It is also found at the bottom of the Impress window. It is used to draw the shape and object. Okay. It is used to draw the shape and object. We can draw lines, rectangle, circle, arrow, and text box. It helps to make the slide colorful and attractive. Okay, so by the help of drawing toolbar, we can draw the lines, rectangles, circle, arrow, text boxes. It helps to make the presentation or slide colorful and attractive. Okay. Now, another component is the slide view button. They help us to change the way the slides are shown. They are used to view the slide in different modes. These are the normal, outline, note, handout, and slide sorter. Slides view buttons used to view these slides in different modes, and these modes are normal, outline, notate, handout, and slide sorter. Okay, so slide view button help करता है to view these slides in different way, different mode, like normal mode, outline mode, note mode, handout mode, and slide sorter. Okay. Okay, so here is the slide view button which help this slide to view in different mode. How to create a new presentation? If you want to create a new presentation in OpenOffice Impress, then how you will create? So you have to open the OpenOffice Impress. First step, to open the OpenOffice Impress, and then click on File in the menu bar. You will have the option of File in menu bar. You have to click File in menu bar and then click New. Then click New and Presentation. Okay. Then choose the presentation template, blank presentation. Usually we choose the blank presentation template. Okay. And then click Create. A new presentation with a slide will open. Okay, so what is the path? File menu, new, and presentation. Then choose the presentation template and start your presentation. And what is the shortcut for creating new presentation? That is Control plus N. Okay, this is the shortcut. Okay, this is the shortcut. Control plus N. You can repeat with me. Creating a new presentation shortcut. Control plus N. What is that? Control plus N. Control plus capital N helps to create the new presentation. You have to write like this only. Control capital C TRL plus capital N, Control plus N, to create the new presentation. Okay. Now, adding a new slide. By how to add the new slide in presentation? By using new slide button on toolbar. By using new slide button on toolbar. Then adding image to slide. To add image to slide. Okay, how to add image to slide? Image can be added to slide by clicking Insert Picture from File and select the image. Okay. For adding the picture in slide, you can click on Insert. You can click on Insert and choose the picture and add here. Okay. Then running a slideshow. How to run the slideshow? Pressing the F5 key. F5 key is used to run a slideshow. Okay. Now, how to save a presentation? The shortcut for saving the presentation is the control plus capital S. Okay, the shortcut for saving a presentation, control capital C TRL plus capital S. Okay, and okay, and another way to click the save button on a standard toolbar. In a standard toolbar, you have the option of save button. You have to click the save button. Click. This is the one method. This is the shortcut method to control plus S. And another method to click the file in menu bar. You have to click the file in menu bar and select the save or save as to choose the location or format. Another important point, Impress save the file. Impress save the file with extension .odp. Okay, Impress save the file with extension .odp. To close the presentation in OpenOffice Impress, how to close the presentation? How to close the presentation? To click on file in menu bar and select the close. Okay, you have to click on file in menu bar and close and select the close. Okay. Okay, now we will do exercise on OpenOffice Impress. First question, blank is the blank area in the middle of the window where a slide is displayed. Okay, you have to choose the correct option. The option is option A, workspace, option B, slide pans, option C, sidebar, and option D, status bar. You have to choose the correct answer. Question is, blank is the blank area in the middle of window where a slide is displayed. Your time starts now. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, up. Correct answer is workspace. Correct. Clap for yourself. Workspace. Now, next question. The blank bar is located at the top of the Impress window. Option, status bar. Option B, title bar. Option C, menu bar. Option D, slide bar. You have to choose the correct option. Your times start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time up. Correct answer is title bar. Okay, title bar is located at the top of the Impress window. Okay, and title bar represent the title of the presentation or name of the presentation. Question number 3. The blank toolbar has the shortcut icons for most frequently used command in the Impress. Okay, option A, formatting toolbar. Option B, standard toolbar. Option C, drawing toolbar. And option D, slide toolbar. So which toolbar has the shortcut icon for the most frequently used command in the Impress? Okay, so choose the correct option. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Correct answer is standard toolbar. Yes, standard toolbar. Standard toolbars have the all common icons or buttons which use most frequently in Impress. Okay. Now, next question, question 4. The blank contain thumbnail pictures of the slides in a presentation. Okay, the blank contain the thumbnail picture of the slides in a presentation. Option A, file menu. Option B, slide bar. Option C, slide span. And option D, status bar. Okay, choose the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Okay, correct answer is slide span. Slide span which contain the contain the thumbnail picture of the slides in a presentation. Okay. Now, next question. Which software is used to make a presentation? Writer, Calculate, Impress, Paint. Choose the correct option. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Correct answer is Impress. OpenOffice Impress is the presentation software. Okay, the software which is used to make a presentation. Okay, now next question. The bar that show the information like this slides number is called. The bar, the given option में, the bar that show the information like this slides number is called. Option A, title bar. Option B, menu bar. Option C, status bar. Option D, slide bar. Okay, which bar show the information of slide number? Okay, choose the correct answer. Your time start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time's up. Okay, the status bar is the correct answer which show the slides number. Okay. Now, next question. Which view show all the slides together? Okay. In given view, which view show all the slides together? Option A, normal view. Option B, slide sorted view. Option C, outline view. And option D, noted view. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times up. Correct answer is slide sorted view. Okay, slide sorted view. So the all slides together. Okay, now next question. A presentation is a collection of option A, pages, option B, slides, option C, sheets, option D, files. Okay, a presentation is a collection of, choose the correct answer. Choose the correct option. Your times start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times up. Correct answer is slides. Presentation is a collection of slides. Okay. Now, next question. Which key is used to run a slideshow? Okay, which key is used to run a slideshow? Option A, F1, option B, F2, option C, F5, option D, F10. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 times up. Correct answer is F5. F5 is used to run the slideshow. Now, filling the blanks. Question number 1. A presentation is a collection of blank arranged in a systematic order. Correct answer is slide. Presentation is a collection of slide arranged in a systematic order. Now, question number 2. Question number 2. A presentation is widely used to present blank and blank effectively. Presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively. Why we should use presentation? To present our view and ideas effectively. Okay. Now, third, to open the existing file, click on blank button on the standard toolbar. Okay, the correct answer is open. Fourth, in Impress, the files are saved with extension .odp. Okay. 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 Presentation is a collection of slides arranged in a systematic order. A presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively. Third, to open the existing files, click on open button on the standard toolbar. And fourth, in Impress, the files are saved with .odp. Now filling the blanks. 1. OpenOffice Impress is used to create presentation. Used to create presentation. Okay, used to create presentation. 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 A presentation is made up of many slides. Presentation is made up of many slides. 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 The area where we work on slides is called workspace. Okay, work, W-O-R-K, work, space, S-P-A-C-E, space. Fourth, to start a slideshow, we press the shortcut. To start the slideshow, we press capital F5 key. Okay, now fifth, the picture can be added to slide by using insert menu. Okay, insert menu. I-N-S-E-R-T, insert menu. Okay, okay, clear? Now, true and false. First, Impress is a presentation software program. Yes, true. Second, on starting the Impress, a blank presentation named slide 1 appear on the screen. Okay, on starting the Impress, a blank presentation appear as a untitled one, not slide 1. Untitled one appears on the screen. So this statement is false. Okay, correct answer is untitled one. Okay. But you can save your presentation by using Control as key combination. That is also true. Okay, we can save the presentation by using shortcut Control plus S. Fourth, to close the Impress application, click on File menu and Exit option. Okay, this is also true. To close the application, we should click the File menu and choose the Exit option. Okay, the shortcut key to create new presentation is Control plus N. Okay, to create new presentation shortcut is Control plus N. This is also true. All the best for your exam. Subscribe, like and share this channel, Brilliant Mind Creators. Your support help us to support those children who don't have the access to basic education. So let's together make the world beautiful. Thank you for watching.